This brand is made in China and the units can be purchased throughout North America through many online stores. All of the units are Wi-Fi enabled and work with Amazon's Alexa. They have refrigerant leak detection to protect the compressor in case of loss of refrigerant and a temperature sensing remote for increased comfort. The units have a silver ion antibacterial filter to improve the home's indoor air quality. The SENL models are basic heat pumps with a 17.5 SEER efficiency, while the SENA units are premium heat pumps with a 23 SEER rating. They are available in single-zone systems as well as systems that have up to 5 indoor units. The warranty is not as good as other brands, and, even though they are sold for the DIY market, the warranty requires a licensed HVAC installer. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.